right, this is Pioneer Square, a lesser known part of Seattle. Hey, we went to this coffee shop once.
We did.
Austin and I, again, are going to the Seahawks game, and we're gonna grub today. So, got some free tickets from the team, thank you so much. We're playing the LA Rams, Thursday night football. It's a big deal, so let's go see what they got to eat. All right, in Seattle, we got these little hot dog stands. Oh yeah. Grilled onions and everything. And there it is, Lumen Field. All right, so we're on the top floor. There's nachos over here, Ivors, drinks. We're gonna grub. What do you feel like eating?
Literally anything. I'm starving.
I know, me too. I just got a workout done. Hour long, ran a few miles, lifted some weights, so ready to eat. King's Hawaiian. I did not know they had a King's Hawaiian. Let's go see what they got going on here. Can I order here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the rack of ribs sandwich box. That'll be good. Unless you want something, you want a drink or something. We're gonna go into the club area so you can get more drinks there. All right, I was not expecting this. There's some, I think, pulled pork sliders with obviously the King's Hawaiian bread. I mean, it's just a giant sandwich, kettle chips, and then mac salad. My gosh, this was expensive too. That side, I'll hold this side.
Yes, yeah.
Well, I don't know, like I guess just kind of dig into it.
Yeah, literally a rib.
A rib? There you go. King's Hawaiian rib sandwich.
Wow.
Did you ever think you'd be eating ribs at a football game?
Literally never.
I should have thought this through a little more. Did I give you a fork?
No, you did not.
Here's a fork.
I didn't know there were sports.
Well, if you're gonna eat the mac salad.
I am a huge mac salad fan,
really?
by the way. Yeah.
How's it?
Oh, it's good.
Good?
I love the creaminess, you know?
One thing that you guys always ask is how much everything costs. How much, did you see how much this costs?
It was, I think 52 total.
50 bucks for this big old boat of food. But I'll tell you, that easily will feed both of us.
Oh, totally.
But you better believe it's not the last thing we're gonna eat. My gosh, you almost need a fork to eat the sandwich.
That's kind of what I'm thinking here. I've taken a bite out of 3 different pieces of bread here.
Legit mac salad.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, King's Hawaiian, you gotta have some mac salad. See what it tastes like. Standard mac salad. It's got like a tang to it.
Yeah.
What is that?
Maybe like a vinegar?
You almost want to eat that with the sandwich.
Totally.
All right, going to our seats finally. Sitting in the club section. All right, gonna get some Asian food now. Last time I had their poke nachos. This time I'm gonna get dumplings. I'm gonna get the pork soup dumplings and also the poke nachos. Yeah. And then the premium beer, is that like draft? Is it draft beer?
It's ultra.
Oh, ultra? No, it doesn't come in a cup then?
No.
Oh, got it. No, it's okay. All right, these are the Mila dumplings. You can get these dumplings at Costco. We tried these last time, the poke nachos, which are amazing. So let's grab. There we go. Dumplings. Funny, I've had these before. Very spicy, salty. Never ever would I have thought I'd be eating dumplings at a football game. You want to try these?
Yeah, I'll try one.
I love that they collaborate with local businesses. I think I said this last time. Super spicy, huh?
Yeah, very spicy.
And Mila, I believe they're a local company. I've met one of the co-founders, and yeah, it's cool.
Very good though.
Yeah, really good. Have you had these before?
I've never had them.
Yeah, you can buy these at Costco sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, but it's a local brand. I met the owner once.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna eat the rest, okay? Oh. Wow. That guy.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Great Pacific Northwest.
And he cuts up the ball.
It might very well be the most emotional game we'll see all year.
I didn't get the memo about the light.
I don't know if that's normal, but they're doing some prime rib sandwiches. $18.99. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Tip prime rib.
I'm not really that worried about it, to be totally honest.
Some of these baskets we're running out
I try to put as much in there as can possibly go.
Thank you very
I need
much.
you to ship before you skip, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Go ahead and pick a number at the...
All right, a prime rib sandwich. This is the first time I've ever seen this before. I am in the club area where you get not only a lot of food in one spot, but you get these special little stands. So let's try this.
Is it a prime rib sandwich?
Uh-huh.
Is it good? Sam!
Yeah, right here. It's really good.
Bro, we got like an Instagram influencer here. Like it's good, he said.
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube, I'm sorry. Hey, did you record, man?
The beer, Elysian. Local brewery. Hazy IPA. All right, let's go back to the game.
Oh.
We're here. Everyone's, well, not everyone, but most everybody's left. We're watching whatever commotion going on over there. So that was a good game.
Crazy.
I lost my voice. I don't know if I told you this, but the last time we came to a game, I was kind of like, what do you call it? I was faking some of my yells, but I didn't fake them this time. I was weird because it was so crucial.
They needed all of us. Yeah.
We were losing like halfway through the last game, but this game was good. So thank you, Seahawks.
Thank you, Seahawks.
And that is Lumen Field at night. It's beautiful, and people are still celebrating. If you're in Seattle at night, after the club, just hanging out downtown, obviously after a ball game, hot dogs. For me personally, I like the tents on the corners of some of the streets, the ones that have been there for years and years and years. After a game, walking through downtown is awesome.